Foods will help you blast belly fat, lose weight. The most important aspect of losing weight is changing your diet, and 80% to 90% of the success or failure will depend on the foods and beverages you consume. A diet, though, is a lifestyle choice. As a result, you should decide to alter the kind of foods you eat as well as the quantity and frequency of your meals. These foods are the best ones you can consume when trying to burn excess fat and lose weight. Green tea. The best way to aid in fat burning is by drinking green tea, which is high in caffeine and EGCG, or epigallocattic and gallate, both of which aid in weight loss. Pomegranate. Potassium, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin K are all abundant in pomegranates. Digestion is aided by the high fiber content, and dietary nitrates increase blood flow and enhance athletic performance. Chicken breast. One of the best sources of protein, chicken breast also helps with hunger control, metabolism, and weight loss. Cruciferous vegetables. As they are low in fat and calories but high in vitamins A, C, folic acid, carotenoids, and fiber, cruciferous vegetables including arugula, broccoli, bok choy, collard greens, kale, daikon radish, watercress, radish, turnip, and mustard greens are ideal for weight loss. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a potent anti-inflammatory meal that is high in antioxidants and has good effects on weight, fasting blood glucose, LDL cholesterol, and lean muscle mass. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, and despite having a high cholesterol content, they have no effect on cholesterol levels. Avocado. Although low in sugar, avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which give the body energy and quicken the metabolism. Legumes and beans. They provide a feeling of satiety, reduce hunger, and guard against blood sugar rises because they are high in protein and fiber. Unflavored Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has higher protein content than ordinary yogurt, lower sodium, sugar, and carbohydrate content, and more probiotics to support digestive health. Cocoa butter. Fatty acids found in abundance in coconut oil cut cholesterol, enhance brain function, and lessen epilepsy seizures. Most of the saturated fats in food are medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which the body can digest fast and turn into energy. Chicory seeds. Chia seeds are very nourishing, high in fiber, and full in protein. They are rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and will help you lose weight quickly. Berries. Berries keep you full and decrease the absorption of sugar since they are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, A, and K, as well as dietary fiber. Salmon. Salmon is rich in minerals that promote weight loss, and the high concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids also benefit digestion, enhance thyroid function, reduce inflammation, and boost mood and brain function. Grapes. Grapes are rich in phytonutrients including phenols and polyphenols, which protect against metabolic disorders and obesity-related inflammation. Additionally, polyphenols enhance insulin sensitivity and guard against oxidative damage brought on by fructose. Greens, leafy. Greens such as kale, spinach, and romaine lettuce are high in fiber and minerals and low in calories and carbs, so they help you feel fuller for longer and reduce the chance of gaining weight. Alcoholic beverage. It is low in calories and high in acetic acid, which prevents fat buildup. Studies have also shown that acetic acid reduces postprandial glycemia and boosts insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Sugar potato. Sweet potatoes have a reduced glycemic index and are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory elements that benefit the eyes, heart, and digestive system. Additionally, it contains a lot of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and controls blood sugar. Soup. A steaming bowl of soup is a tasty, wholesome, and nourishing substitute for other cooked foods. Nuts. Nuts are great for weight loss because they are high in protein, fiber, and good fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids. Almonds, cashews, and pistachios, however, are the ones with the fewest calories, and almonds are particularly healthy. Slim beef. Because beef is a major source of protein, it significantly reduces cravings and contains significant levels of iron, zinc, vitamin B6, phosphorus, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6. Pepper, red. Due to the presence of capsaicin, which causes a burning sensation in the mouth and initiates thermogenesis, red peppers help people lose weight by reducing hunger, burning belly fat, and suppressing cravings. Apple and pear. Because they are low in calories and high in fiber, pears and apples will help you lose weight by keeping you fuller for longer. Keep in mind that your meals should be moderate in size, your diet should be balanced, and the amount of food you eat should correspond to the amount of activity you engage in during the day.